va a cambiar. Llamada, llamada, va llegando al celular. Ahora va la mía, ya no doy vuelta para atrás.
Sorry.
Oh shit. You found the spark plug? What the fuck?
Why do you like that?
Where's the socket?
Right there.
It's just those two bolts. And then you have hollow room right there. Those two bolts on top. It's not like you have.
Oh, you want to take that whole thing off?
Wait, it's only two bolts. There's only those two hoses and the fucking cap holding it on. Unless you can do it, man. You're gonna have a little more room. I'm just saying, though.
Now we can't sacrifice the power steering that doesn't exist.
That's not power.
It's the AC.
No mames, ni más.
When he likes his bolts like he likes the women. Old and loose.
No mames. They just feel like some untouched and rusty.
Untouched and rusty.
Sorry you feel that way.
Bitch, are you gonna point the light where you need it?
Sorry, wait,
Oh,
sorry.
you are? Are you sure you're gonna get her pregnant, nigga?
Neta, you're acting like a dad right now.
Shut up, bitch. I now know why my dad beat me up all the time. William, are you sure you have a V8? We got 3 cylinders.
What happened? You still need me to hold it or what?
Nah, wait.
My boy knows how to use those fingers.
Bitch. This was on like, you haven't watched this since like God, we've been having for like 2 years.
Shall we subscribe or what? His mom's probably hella tripping.
Who?
Caesar's mom.
She just got here.
That's why she's probably like, what the fuck? No mames. Are they supposed to be split in half?
What do you mean?
The stock headers?
Split in half, yeah.
Oh, right. Then. Chiro is not gonna be there for long.
Charge us to the Nokia account.
True. My people will get to it.
Where the bolts?
Right here.
Up your butt.
Yeah. Hey, grab one with you.
You gay, boy. Damn, boy. He did, boy. Fool, Willie, your motor's so beautiful down here, Willie. You're just full of covered of oil, Willie.
Neta, you wish yours looked like that, huh?
Fool, you should see a tag, Willie. Going far back enough, we.
It has to be. That's how it goes, though.
What is up, guys? Welcome back. Part 2 of putting on the headers for the vlog.
The headers are already installed. Like, these are all the parts. The headers are already installed. Look, we got the catch right there, the other cat. I need to put another O2 sensors. The white pipe. Right now I'm running open headers because we couldn't fit the white pipe on there. Look at the white pipe's right here. But yeah, we couldn't put that part on, so right now I'm still running open headers. Either tomorrow or sometime this week when it's not as hot, we're gonna try to put on the white pipe, because with open headers this thing is dummy loud, so we need to fix that. But right now what we're fixing, guys, I don't know if you guys can see, hold up, I don't know if you guys can see right here on one of them. Where is it at? Oh yeah, you guys can see right there. This part was touching the headers, so we had to change out the spark plug wires. If not, we're gonna have a little mishap when we're driving it. See, it would touch. I mean, right here still kind of touches, but at least I have the sleeves on and shorter spark plug wires. Right here it doesn't touch as much, or it doesn't even touch at all. See, it doesn't even touch at all. That's why I didn't bother changing that one, but the rest I have to change out. Oh yeah, guys, one other thing I forgot to mention about the truck is this. Watch, look at this baddie right here. We got another transmission. I think in total of trannies that the truck has been through, this is either going to be the 8th or 9th tranny that the truck has gone through. Sadly, it's still another 4L60. The tranny I currently have in my truck right now is also a 4L60. But what I'm thinking about doing is sending this one to get built at least to a 4L65 maybe. And then once that tranny messes up, slap this one on. But yeah, this is either the 8th or 9th tranny that the truck has gone through. Pretty cool. There it is, guys. We just finished washing the Mamalona, the Yonke. Right now, we're gonna take it on a little drive, just around the block. Algo leve, you know. I left some water spots. Who cares though? I think I'm gonna take it to work tomorrow anyways. But fuck it. Here it is, guys. I don't think it's gonna start up right away. See, I told you guys. I think it stayed on, guys. I also need to fix the temp sensor. I need to buy a new one because we kind of broke it when we were putting on the headers. So I need to buy a new one of those. Oh, let me just do this right quick so I get better than nothing. All right, now we're gonna take a little mob, guys. What I could say is open headers sound freaking loud. Right now le doy un pisón leve ahorita. God damn, boy. Damn it, boy. Algo light, algo light. Give it some nice revs. Sorry. Pues que se escucha mejor, pues.
Llamada, va llegando al celular. Ahora va la mía, ya no doy vuelta para atrás. La cachucha puesta de los dos manzanas.